Hello, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to learn how to make a crochet cushion cover. What I'm going to use is this Robin acrylic yarn. It's 100% acrylic. I have this, it's a pastry needle, tapestry needle. Then I have this hook, which is a 4.5 millimeter, and I'll need a scissor for cutting. Here it is. I'll need this for cutting my things. So I think that's all I need. And the cushion covers I'm going to make are going to be 14 by 14. Yeah, that is the size, because that is the size of my cushions. If your cushions are big, you can still measure. Begin. Have to get this yarn inside, because if I use the one out, it disturbs me a lot. So yeah, let us begin. We are going to chain 59. Let me first make a slip knot. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 45, 56, 57, 58, 59. So I've made 59, and I want to measure and I see if it makes the 14 inches. So 14 ends there. I'm starting from here. Yeah, so it reaches under 14 inches. Yeah, it's actually even more, because I'm going to kill some chains. So after that, I'm going to we are going to make 4 squares, because I'm making for 2 cushions. If you have more still you can do, but I'm going to make 4 squares. Each 2 will be joined. So if you have the same color of yarn, you can use the same color, or you can use 2 different colors, and up you have a different color, down you have a different color. It depends on you. So for me, I'm going also to first make the 4 of them, the 4 squares, and then I'll see if I'm going to use one color or it will be different colors. But for now, I have all this yarn, like it's all light blue. If it's enough, I'll use that. If it's not, then I have to blend. So let's continue. What you're going to do in row 1, you're going to double crochet in the 4th chain from hook, and then you will double crochet all through. So we are doing a double crochet. This is 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'm chaining in this. I've skipped for 3 chains, and I'm chaining. I've skipped 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So I'm chaining in the 4. I'm double crocheting in the 4th chain. So yeah, that is 1 double crochet, and then you're going to double crochet until you reach the end. Let me meet you at the end to show you what we need to do on the next row. So I've reached at the end, and when we reach here, you're going to chain 3. 1, 2, 3. But don't forget, this chain also, it counts as a double crochet. Now after making these double crochet like chains, you turn, then you're going to front post in the first 2 double crochets. So I'm front posting here, front post double crochet, sorry, front post, sorry, double crochet. That is one. Then we make the second one, front post, double crochet. So that makes them 3. Remember, we chained 1 here, so this is 1, 2, 3. Now after that, you do back post, double crochet, 3 of them. So we come and we do a back post. Back post, for it you pass behind like that, and you pull the yarn, you take it back. Sorry, back post is kind of hard, but you have to yeah. So this is it. For them, the yarn goes behind, so that is 1 back post double crochet. Then we make the second one, you pass behind, and then you pull the yarn, you take it behind, you make the second. Those are 2 back posts. Then you pull the yarn. Please make sure I have enough yarn, at least like 6 skeins of yarn, because this takes some yarn. Yeah, so like that, like that. Now those are 3 back post. Now again we do 3 front post double crochet. Now we are doing a front post, which is this one, 2, 3. Three front post, 3 front post is what I'm from doing. So then you do a back post, double crochet, 1, back post double crochet, 2, 2 back post double crochet, 3 back post double crochet. Again you make 1 front post double crochet, 2 front post double crochet, 3 front post double crochet. So that is what you're going to do until you reach the end. You do 3 front post double crochet, then 3 back post double crochet, like that, until we reach at the end. Let me meet you there to show you what we need to do on the next row. Now I've reached at the end and we are going on row 3. So on row 3 I'm chaining 3 still, 1, 2, 3. This is our first double crochet. So I'm going to turn my work and I'm repeating what we did on row 2, and that is the only thing we are going to do until you make 14 inches. When we reach there, then after making 14 inches, you put that one down, you cut the yarn, you put it aside, you make another one of the same size, following the same instructions or the same tutorial until you make that second one. Then when you finish, I'll come back to show you how to join them and we'll be done with our first cushion. So to show you just one more time, you're going to come here and you make a front post double crochet. That is 1, and you make another front post double crochet. Those are 2. The reason as to why we've made 2 here, because remember we chained this one, we chained 3, so those are our 3 front post double crochet. Then after that you go down and you make 3 back post double crochet. So you go down and you put a back post, double crochet, that is 1, back post, double crochet, those are 2, those are 2 back post double crochet, and you make a third one, which is back post, double crochet. So those are 3. Then again you come and you do 3 front post double crochet. 1 front post double crochet, 2 front post double crochet, 3 front post double crochet. So that is all we are going to do. We are going to be making front post double crochet, back post double crochet, front post double crochet, back post double crochet, until we make the 14 inches. Let me meet you at the end when we finish to show you what we need to do. Yeah. So I've reached at the end, and my cushion cover is measuring 14 in the length, and then 14 in the width. It's all 14 centimeters, as I told you when we were starting the video. But then I added 1 more meter, and that 1 more meter I wanted it to leave it at the end for being a closure, because I'm not going to put a zip. I'm just going to cover this, and I put buttons, so it's going to work as a button closure. That's why I added that 1 more inch. So what we are going to do now, we are going to join. You can either use a needle, as I told you when we were beginning. You can use a tapestry needle like this one, and you put yarn, then you start sewing on the sides, or doing what we call seaming. But me, I'm going to still use a hook, and I'm just going to slip stitch. So those who are going to use hook like me, then we have to you have to follow me. Those who are going to use a needle, still it's easy. You just put your yarn, and then you start sewing on the ends, or you will use it to do what, to close the sides. Yeah. Maybe those who are going to do slip stitching, you might need to use it to weave in the ends, but I'm not going to need this as me. So let us begin. Now this side is already joined because I didn't separate. I just continued. Yeah, for me I just continued, but in case you feel like it's hard for you, you can do the 4 pieces, the 2 pieces as I said, and then you slip stitch all of them together. So this is what I'm going to do, like that you're seeing it, and I'm going to leave this 1 inch, and the 1 inch takes like 2 rows. So I'm going to slip stitch it, but I'll slip stitch it inside. I'm going to change it to the inside part, so that it looks good, like something I've sewn in. So I'm changing it to the inside part. Then these 2 will remain, and then I'm beginning. Let me first close here. Like, I'm just going to do a slip stitch here minus joining, so that I go down to where the other side is. Remember, I'm skipping these 2 rows. Yeah. Up to here. Okay. Now this is what I'm doing. I'm slip stitching it. Yeah. So what you're going to do, there are two, you're seeing them. You're just going to be doing slip stitches only, nothing more. So I'm getting this and I'm joining it here at the beginning of this, and then I pull the yarn, all the yarns I have them, then I pull through here. Like this, you pull the yarn and then, sorry, you pull the yarn, you go through, pull the yarn, you go through, just like that, and we shall slip stitch all over. Yeah, and then I'm going to show you, and you see how it looks when you weave, when you slip stitch from the inside. Yeah, in Luganda we call it, now this side where I'm slip stitching in the inside part, it becomes the bikukuju. That's how we call it in Luganda, bikukuju. Like the seamed part, it remains inside. Just like that, nothing more, just slip stitching at the end. In case you've not gotten how I'm doing it, then you will need to go back and see it again until you master it. But it's very easy, it's so easy. Yeah, sorry. So let me meet you at the end and I show you how our work is going to be. I've reached at the end of this, yeah, up to here, and you see inside how it's looking. It's like I've sewed with a needle. Yeah, so I'm going to cut the yarn, and then tie the end so that it doesn't open again. Yeah, now this is this side, so I'm going to turn and I go also on this other side and I'll do the same thing. Then after that I'll need to put the buttons up. Yeah, for the buttons I'm not going to show you, it's just easy. You just get a needle and then you put the buttons you want. You can put like 3, you can put like 2 on maybe this side and this side 1, or you can put 6 depending on the buttons you have, the color. You can put the same color or black or white, a color which matches like this, and where you want to put your cushions, like matching with what you have in your house. So I'm going still to do the same thing on this side. I'll just slip stitch until I reach the end, and that will be it. Yeah, so yeah, thank you for watching my video, and thank you for those who have subscribed. If you've not yet subscribed, kindly do subscribe. I need your support. I need my channel to grow. If you have other people who want to learn how to make this, to give them the link, or yeah, share to them the link so that they can also watch for themselves and learn. Thank you so much, and see you in the next tutorial.